How to build a virtualized team of AI employees, no code. If you saw my last video on this topic, at work, I'm working with a developer who is creating virtualized AI agents using code that I will then access with my no-code tools. But I wanted to figure out how to do the whole thing no code, and I think I figured it out. Let me show you what I built. So I recently found this service called VoiceFlow, which is a chatbot platform. However, they have vector databases, as well as in their chatbot flow builder, you can execute all kinds of code. So basically my plan is to use the VoiceFlow platform as the staging area for the AI agents to communicate with one another and then produce an output that I can then push to make.com. So let me show you what I built here. First, I have a module that uses a GPT to decide on an article angle. Now I seeded this with my own data because I'm going to have to build in an API call to make to grab this data from a data store. But for now, I just made up some data. And then the next module actually pings the AI connected to this knowledge base. So this is actually the flow inside of a knowledge base. And this is an expert knowledge base that's been trained on a bunch of behavioral economics books. And this asks for an expert outline on the topic. Now, my next module is an API call to a different knowledge base. That one is trained on SEO best practices. So it pulls the vector results and then asks GPT to decide which keywords to focus on. Then I ask GPT, acting as a content writer, to suggest 5 articles. Then the SEO knowledge base is asked to choose a title. Then the content writer is asked to use all the information and write an article. Then the SEO knowledge base is asked to score the article on a scale of 0 to 10. If the score is above 7.5, it passes. If it's below 7.5, it fails. Then the SEO knowledge base is asked for revision suggestions, and those revision suggestions are given to the content writer who will rewrite the article, and this process will loop again. And then when it finally passes, right now I have it just giving me the article, but I'm going to pass it off to a content editor next. So essentially how the whole thing is going to work is I will set some parameters in make.com and then call those parameters using an API call, trigger the VoiceFlow bot that will then give me an SEO'd article, push that article back to Make, and then let Make format it and publish it for me. And that's how I created a virtualized AI SEO content writing team. Hope that helps. Cheers.